What's up, you guys? Welcome back to ShapeShift Studio B. I'm Alex Kemp, and for today's studio quick tip, we're going to learn about using our roll-up doors with the silks to create nice, beautiful, natural light. Okay, so this is one of our roll-up doors here at Studio B, and at the bottom of it, there's two locks that you're going to slide towards the center to unlock the door, and then we have a chain that allows you to roll it up. Now, the main thing is, before rolling it up, we're going to want to make sure we have two of the large A-clamps, which are usually on the mini remote and grip rack by the sound system. And then I've also got two really small A-clamps. I've also grabbed our silks off of the equipment rack. We've got two for this roll-up door that are nice and big. So we'll start by unlocking the door, just like that. And we're gonna roll it up a few feet by using the chain here, nice and slow. And then what you can do is take the chain and hook it into the little holder we have on the wall, and that'll keep the door from closing on you. Okay, so you're going to take the first diffusion cloth or silk, they go hand in hand, and clip it to the bottom of the door with the giant A-clip. And then we'll straighten it out, grab our second one, open this up, and we'll grab a mini clip here, one of the mini clips. Stretch this out all the way. So you want to stretch the first one all the way and then overlap the second one's corner. Okay, and then we'll clip the final end here to the door, just like that, and careful not to trip. There we go. So now we can go ahead and roll the door all the way up. I usually go and leave a few feet at the top, just like that. You definitely don't want to go all the way because you'll knock the clips off at the top. And what I like to do is kind of halfway down, clip it together like that. Now if it's super windy, you can always weight down the bottom with more clips or sandbags, but this is going to create really nice natural light. And I'll show you here. We'll bring the camera over here. We'll turn it this way, and you can see how soft and nice it is.